Spiritual tips for moving into a new home. The Christmas tradition of placing a candle in the window is a spiritual invitation into your home. A welcome mat at your door is more significant than it seems. By having a welcome mat, you symbolically give permission to wandering spirits to enter your home. Be mindful of the symbolism behind the materials used in your front door wreath before placing it on your door. Leaving food in the sink can attract demons to your kitchen, as they feed on leftovers and drain your energy. Hearing noises in your kitchen at night, when no one is present, could indicate a demon attracted to your home.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
A persistently dirty home that cannot stay clean may indicate the presence of a bad spirit. Cleanse your home immediately. Bad spirits emit a uniquely pungent odor that can take over your home, leaving a nasty smell that may never go away unless you pray it away. Placing two reflective surfaces, such as a mirror and a window, opposite each other creates a portal that can allow various entities to enter your home. In Jamaican culture, it is customary to enter your home at night by stepping in backward to avoid inviting wandering spirits inside. When moving into a new home or building on new land, Jamaicans traditionally sacrifice a cow or goat to drive away any malevolent spirits that might be attached to the land. Be cautious about who you invite into your home. Some individuals may whisper spells or leave oil or powder behind, inviting negative energy into your space and making it a miserable place to live. Not everyone should know your address. Once your location is known, you can be identified in the spiritual realm, allowing enemies to send demons to torment you.